Are you looking for the best electric screwdrivers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 10 best electric screwdrivers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 10 is the DeWalt 8V Max Gyroscopic Electric Screwdriver. The intuitive controls on this DeWalt electric screwdriver make it a great choice for those who want to really dial up the speed of their driver while they work. Unlike other models that use a dedicated directional switch, this electric screwdriver switches from forward to reverse with a twist of the wrist. The adjustable handle also gives you the option of a pistol or straight grip. The driver also has a range of clutch settings, and the 8-volt motor packs more power than most. There's also a full package that comes with a huge bit set and 2 batteries, so you can charge one while you use the other. Coming in at number 9 is the Bosch 12V Max 2-speed pocket electric driver kit. If 4 and 8-volt electric screwdrivers aren't powerful enough for you, this 12-volt model from Bosch is worth a look. It boasts a max speed of 1300 RPMs, and combined with a high-powered motor, is suited to heavier-duty applications. It's compact too, with a head length of just 5.6 inches, and light enough to use for long periods of time to cut down on hand or shoulder fatigue. The driver also gives you the benefit of 2 batteries, so you can charge one while you work. This means it's even more useful for heavy-duty jobs that can drain the battery. If you need a workhorse tool, look no further. At number 8, we have the Skil 4V electric screwdriver. While it's not the brand's first model with an adjustable design, this one features 3 angle positions, 3 torque levels, and convenient USB-C charging. One of the things that makes this model stand out is its sturdy feel in hand. During testing, one of the first things I noticed was how easy it was to use on a wide range of tasks, including installing light switch covers, tightening cabinet door hinges, and swapping out drawer pulls, among other things. The 2 bits fit snugly into the magnetic bit holder and pop out easily. But there's no integrated storage, so I had to keep track of the bit that wasn't in use. Compared to higher-end 8V models, this one is relatively underpowered. However, I found it capable of getting the job done in basic applications. At number 7, we have the Skil Rechargeable SD561801 Cordless Electric Screwdriver. This budget-friendly Skil electric screwdriver might not be the most powerful, but its budget-friendly price and straightforward operation still make it a great value. The elongated, 2-finger trigger is simple to engage, and with 4 different bit types, 9 in total, it's prepared to handle a variety of fasteners. Plus, 2 magnetic bit holders on the sides of the driver keep your most frequently used options close by. I also appreciate the USB charging port, so there's no searching for a free wall outlet. And at less than 6 inches long, it's easy to stash inside a toolbox or kitchen drawer. Coming in at number 6 is the Black+Decker cordless screwdriver with pivoting handle. Straightforward operation, low power, and 180 revolutions per minute speed make this Black+Decker driver well suited for flat-pack furniture assembly. With minimal torque, you won't have to worry about overdriving fasteners into delicate particle boards, and the spindle lock means you can use it manually. I've found spindle locks like this one to be really useful for cracking fasteners loose before reversing them out in automatic mode. The handle also pivots, so you can drive in a screw at practically any angle. Halfway through at number 5 is the Black+Decker 4V Max cordless electric screwdriver. With a large, bright LED flashlight on board, this is the electric screwdriver to buy if you frequently work in basements, closets, or other areas with low light conditions. There's a 3-position handle to choose the best grip for the job, and the user-friendly adjustment switch allows you to easily lock your preferred option into place. This driver also includes a Phillips and flathead bit and holds its charge for up to 18 months. Keep in mind that, just like the other Black+Decker model on our list, this driver has a single speed that can't be adjusted. At number 4 we have the Worx WX240L4V 3-speed cordless screwdriver. Measuring just 1.38 inches in diameter, this Worx model is barely larger than a manual screwdriver and still packs 4V of driving power. It boasts 45 minutes of continuous runtime per charge too, and provides 3 torque settings for added versatility. With a collection of 11 bits, including 3 different sized Phillips options, it's prepared to tackle an impressive range of fasteners, although it doesn't provide any on-board storage. A low battery light lets you know when it's time to recharge, and 2 front-facing LEDs ensure you have a clear view of your workspace. Worx's 3-year warranty has you covered if any issues come up. The third product on our list is the Bosch 12V Max GSR12V-300. Looking at pro-grade models side by side, Bosch's 12V Max GSR12V-300 was an easy choice as the best pistol grip electric screwdriver. It quite simply nailed it in every category, which is odd for a tool that's supposed to drive screws, don't you think? All joking aside, it has top-tier performance, besting both Makita's FD10 and Milwaukee's 2402 top speed by 50 revolutions per minute, and giving up just 25 pounds to Milwaukee's class-leading torque. All this performance is packed into the lightest package, with the only working weight under 2 pounds among pro brands. It also has the second most compact head, just 0.2 inches longer than DeWalt's DCF 601. Then there's the price. At $159 for the kit, it's less expensive to get started than Makita and Milwaukee, and it includes 2 batteries. Second on our list is the Fanttik E1 Max precision screwdriver. Full disclosure when it comes to the delicate components of electronics for it, RC vehicles or drones, I'm more likely to use a manual multi-bit screwdriver than an electric one. But if it's electric you want, I really like Fanttik's E1 Max design. The driver itself is lightweight and slim, similar to the thickness of a standard Sharpie. The sightline isn't quite as good as a manual precision screwdriver with a long shaft, but it's still far better than most typical inline designs. The case is very clever. The screwdriver fits into the center and secures in place so it won't fall out in your tool bag. Push down on the top of the tool, and the spring-loaded lock pops the tool up where you can grab it easily. The exterior of the case holds 50 bits. A magnet keeps them from going anywhere, making them easier to pull out and reinsert than the friction fit interfaces other bits come in. Since it all fits together so neatly, the set easily fits in a tool bag, messenger bag, or backpack. This model is a bit more expensive than others you might find. However, we've used several Fanttik products and have more confidence in their quality than the Amazon-only brands littering the online marketplace. Finally, the top product on our list is the Black+Decker cordless screwdriver. This Black+Decker cordless screwdriver isn't fancy, but it will get the job done for those times when you need to tighten screws around the house, hang blinds, or do anything similar. You can turn off the tool and use it as a manual screwdriver if desired. The pegboard hole at the end of the handle also makes it convenient to store between uses. This screwdriver has an inline grip handle and is comfortable to hold. At 6 volts and running off 4 included batteries, it doesn't have a lot of power, but you don't need excessive force for the types of projects to which this tool is suited. There are no speed settings, just on or off. When switched on, this electric screwdriver delivers speeds up to 130 revolutions per minute and 20 inch-pounds of torque. It has a fairly narrow nose, which makes it easy to maneuver in tight spots. And ultimately, its more basic settings are a good option for beginners. The screwdriver includes one Phillips head and one flat head bit, but you can purchase other bits in different sizes, as long as they match this screwdriver's 1/4-inch shank. It does not include a case, but is easily stored in a toolbox or even a kitchen drawer, or again, on a pegboard, thanks to its convenient pegboard hole. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.